What's up, Too Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to join the family, like this video, subscribe, and show us some love. I'm Too Fly B, and today I got another review for y'all today. Today we doing the belt review. That's going to get into it coming up. I did order this offline. I don't understand why they not send me my box for my belt. They literally just send me the dust bag, bro, and put it in like a plastic bag. But I know Ferragamo has a box for their belts. And if they don't, they should. But anywho, first belt, let's go and hop into it. And I already got the receipt, whatever. And I got the little small one for the little extras. For Salvatore Ferragamo. It's made in Italy, as you see at the bottom. And I just needed a plain black belt, y'all. So I ended up getting this one. I ended up getting a Ferragamo. As y'all see, I've been messing with Ferragamo a lot recently. Got the bracelet. I do have a review of that on my channel, if y'all want to see that. But alright, let's get into the belt. This is some great quality leather. Great quality. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I like the quality of this belt. It feels like it's buttery smooth. Like buttery smooth. Alright, let's get into the end of it. Oh, damn. Alright, the tag just came out the belt loop. Let's see. Salvatore Ferragamo. I did get mine in the size 34. As you come up here, we have silver and we have the detailing, as you see. You see up there it says, hold on, let me make sure you can see everything. Right here it says Ferragamo. On the A's, all black here in the inside, and you have the Salvatore Ferragamo as well in the inside. The double A's, black. Up under here, this is the clip where you take this off right here, and you're able to put it into the belt loops, the belt holes. And I just honestly feel like for just a simple belt, a regular belt, I do like how the black double A's look. For a regular belt, man, a simple everyday belt, I just feel like this, I couldn't go wrong with this one. Nothing fancy, not too much to it, but it is a quality belt, so you ain't gotta worry. I'm not gonna have to worry about constantly buying a new one. No, you know, and that's why you pay for it. And that's the only reason, if you ask me why you do pay for high-end things, and it's just because of the quality. You're buying it so you don't have to keep on replacing that same item. And you don't have to replace it because it's made with quality materials. You know? Sorry, y'all. I think I am finna try this soon, so y'all finna do it. If y'all have any other belt suggestions, like let me know, what belts do y'all like? What belts do y'all wear? What is y'all everyday belt? If you had a brand to go to for an everyday belt, what brand would it be? What style of belt would it be? And what color is the buckle? Me personally, I like an all black belt. Before this one, my everyday belt was an all black, the Louis Vuitton demier print belt with the black LV on the buckle. So as y'all see, I like black belts, man. I just need an everyday belt when I want to wear a belt, and I need it to just be all black. But I do like belts that have like a silver buckle or like a gold buckle. It just depends on what the look of it. It just depends on what look you're wearing that day, what the look looks like. But for everyday, man, I'm definitely good with an all black, for sure, for sure. So that was it for me for this black belt. Just wanted to show y'all the black belt. I don't know if y'all know about it, but sizes fits me good. Size 34, and I'm a size 32 in the waist. So yeah, man, if y'all enjoyed this video, like the video, share the video, let's stay connected. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok at 2FlyB, Snapchat FlyManB. My business email is in the description below. Make sure y'all take care of yourself. Make sure y'all stay prayed up, and I'm getting with you next video. Be smooth.